it's Friday. You know what that means. It is time to get good to grow with Robert Plante Greenhouses. Colin joins us, the expert in all things gardens, flowers, this time of year, your lawns, care, everything. Good morning, my friend.
Good morning.
Weather is finally starting to get nice. I know it was a little bit cool early and wet, but now is the time that we can start finally planting with ease.
Absolutely, it's a great time to plant. And today I kind of brought a few perennials and shrubs to show you some of the hardiest, most easy options you can plant in your garden.
Just a few.
Just a few. Just a few.
All right, where do you want to start, my friend?
All right, so starting with roses. Roses are kind of have the misconception. People think they're really hard to take care of. They're high maintenance, but nowadays roses are so easy. Many people are surprised to find out they can bloom from spring all the way until fall. And they come in so many different colors. This is just a sample. We have such an incredible selection of roses right now, and they're looking absolutely gorgeous. These are very tough too. They're drought tolerant once they're established in your garden, and they don't require any maintenance really. Some of them stay nice and compact and small, and some grow a bit bigger depending on what you want.
Where do you think that comes from, the misconception of like, oh, there's so much work? Because you're right there.
Back in the day, roses were more complicated, but now the new varieties that are bred, they're more disease resistant, they're tolerant to all sorts of stuff, so they're just bred to be much stronger, nicer plants now.
Love that, because everyone loves roses, especially this time of year or all spring and summer long.
Absolutely.
What else you got
great
for us?
Value. Next one, we have catmint. This one here gives a really beautiful kind of cottage style garden look. It looks like a fussy plant, and it's really not. It can go in the full sun, it's very drought tolerant, and it blooms from spring to fall. And the catmint has really fun and unique names. Some are called like Persian blue, really fun cat related names as well. And the other one that's great is lavender. If you like nice purpley blue flowers, it's a very fragrant plant. Drought resistant, can take the sun. Again, it's a beautiful one. Lavender is a plant that likes a very well draining soil. So if you have very thick clay soil or soil that's very heavy, mix in a bag of drainage stone when you're planting it, and that will help it a ton.
You said, you know, the smell, is that what I'm getting mostly from? Because as soon as I turn the corner.
Could be the lavender, it could be also the Asiatic lilies.
Okay.
This is another one that gives that bold, dramatic, big flower look in your garden. They're super tough, they come back every year. They come in a wide range of colors, almost every color imaginable.
And I really love that, the combination here, like, you know, it really stands out.
It does stand out, and there's so many fun colors with them too. And what's fun about these is they'll get bigger with more blooms every year as well.
Love that. Okay, before we get to a tip today, because I want to make sure we get to that, what do you got on the far end over there, the big suckers?
So over here we have a dappled willow tree. This is a beautiful small tree for your garden. If you're looking for something that doesn't get overly massive, this is an absolutely stunning one. We have over 4 acres of shrubs, trees, perennials, so it's definitely the perfect time to come and visit. We have planting and delivery services for those as well.
I love that. Okay, so something that I am completely unfamiliar with, although I'm gaining some steam, okay, with the help of you, but tell me about some tips with hanging baskets, because those are pretty hot right now.
So for hanging baskets, you might have gotten one around Mother's Day, or maybe if you still don't have one, we still have a great selection to choose from. But one thing that people don't realize is you need to fertilize them throughout the summertime to keep them looking nice and lush like this. So if you're someone who by the middle of the summer you think, oh, why is my basket not looking as good? Make sure you fertilize them. There's 2 things you can use. This one is a slow release fertilizer. It's like a balanced meal plan for your flowers. So this one, you top it off, you sprinkle the pellets once a month on top of the soil, and it keeps it happy. The other one is the 15-30-15. This is a water-soluble fertilizer. So you mix it with water and you water your plant with it. It's kind of like an energy drink for your flowers. It'll just give them a great pop, a great boost, full of flowers. This one you can do once or twice a week.
Love that. Macronutrients for all of your flower needs. Okay, you know that it's very difficult for you, but before I let you go, Colin's in the store. He's only gotten approval for 1 item. Which one are you choosing out of the 6 million you brought?
This one here, I can't go wrong with it. This is a bougainvillea plant. It's a tropical flower. It will bloom all summer. It likes the sun. It's very drought tolerant. You really let it go bone dry before you water it. And it can grow up like a vine on a trellis, or you can keep it nice and small by trimming it like this.
I love that. Isn't that amazing? He just knows everything about everything. The wonderful Colin from Robert Plante Greenhouses on your Good to Go Friday. Thank you, my friend, and happy planting.
Yeah.